All right, YouTube, it's your boy, it's Ken, your favorite pinnacle, Odyssey of the Seas, Owner's Suite, 9634. Here's the room tour. Guys, this is an absolutely beautiful room. We are here alongside in Vecchia. Let's start it out. So this is our living room area here. We have a table for four. We have coffee maker over there, refrigerator, not a cooler. We have a pull-out couch over there, large screen TV, a ton of storage. Now, we also have a powder room. That will come in very handy if you're traveling with four people in this room. Look at these. Now, this is a door, this is a window, but still very, very nice. Storage, big screen TV. Let's take you into the master. Obviously, these beds can be a king or separated. Two huge closets. We have more storage over here, another TV, and of course, we have the vanity for the ladies to look pretty. Let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom is amazing here. Double sink, commode, jetted tub. Look how nice this shower is. All right, let's go outside to show you the balcony. The balcony is absolutely beautiful. We have two loungers over there and a table, and then we have a table for two. We are alongside here in Vecchia on board Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. Hey guys, please like and subscribe, and hey, tell your friends also. Ken's Sweet Life YouTube channel. It's your boy, it's Ken, and we will see you at sea.